Oh yeah, y'all gonna know my name before it's all over. I promise you that. More problems, more guns, more bitches, I'ma solve them. Alright. Off the top, no writing. Walk off in the building, trying to stack some chips. Niggas talking down, I'ma go in empty clips. All these bitches love me, yeah they all want my dick. I'ma put it between their lips and split. I'ma dip off in that candy red car. Niggas look at me and they be like, oh Lord, OGOD, oh God, I'm a beast. Niggas know me, aka Young Streets. Catch me posted on the block, trying to move these rocks. I go hard like I'm in the stove, sitting in the pot. Bitch, I'm getting knots, and you ain't getting shit. Got that AK-47, it'll empty out the clip. I put it to your lip and blast back, leave you dead. We don't give a fuck, we ain't scared. Leave you lying in the shed with no head. We ain't in this bitch to talk down. We in this bitch to make all these blunts get passed around and all these hoes get passed around like a flyer. All these niggas mad cause they know the kid is flyer. I'm smoking kush, you smoking mid, so who's higher? I am the best, bitch niggas call me sire. I am a king, I'm a god like Jesus. All these niggas mad, but they know I got that ego. I'm talking about that desert, what the fuck wrong with these people? I can shoot you and I leave you dead in the street with a street sweeper. Yeah, they call me Taylor, aka Darth Vader, cause I'm in space just shitting on you haters. Boy, I'm bout stacks, you ain't bout shit. Gotta make my whole clique what to get rich. Stack chips and fuck hoes, we don't give a fuck, bro. Shout out my big bro Camo, my first pack he did go. He showed me what to flip a brick. I show you niggas that y'all ain't really about shit. If rapping don't work, then it's back to the block. It's back to selling rocks. Fat knots up in my sock. Bitch, I got a pop, no soda. And all you niggas mad cause I'm taking over. Young Taylor take over, pull off in the white Rover. AKA Young Taylor, chip on my shoulder. Nigga come at you like a foot shoulder. We shoot back, you pussy niggas ain't get the odor. Y'all ain't get the memo. Y'all niggas sendo. Me and my niggas, we all up in here, bro. And we gon' lay it down like a motherfucking hot. And y'all niggas can't stop what a nigga got. Cause what I got is stacks. Niggas know I'm moving packs. Keep on talking down on me, then you gon' hear what click clack. Shout out my big bro click clack. I heard he facing 30. We don't give a fuck. We always out here riding dirty. Fuck the laws and fuck the feds. I'm aiming at your fucking head. Playing around with the kid and I chop off your fucking leg. I'm going hard. I gotta quit. I'm sorry for you pussy niggas. I really can't do shit. Stacking chips to the ceiling. Yeah, this a wonderful feeling. More money, more problems, more killing. But more figures, more digits, and more Swissers.